Hi and welcome back. Let's make green pepper chicken. I start by adding about 450 grams of boneless chicken into a pressure cooker. To that I add about half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric and about half cup of water. Mix it well. And we will pressure cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles. Meanwhile, let's keep the other ingredients ready. I have taken 3 medium-sized capsicum. We'll slice it into small pieces. Next, 2 medium-sized onions. Next, in a mixer grinder, add about 2 whole garlic, a small piece of ginger. We'll cut it into small pieces and add it in. Also about 5 green chilies. And about a handful of curry leaves. Now we'll grind it into a coarse paste. Let's check on the pressure cooked chicken. It's ready now. Next, in a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that, add in the onions. Saute this until the onions turn transparent and then add in the coarse paste. Saute this until the raw smell goes away. Next, add in the capsicum and mix it well. To that, add in the pressure cooked chicken along with the water. Mix it well. And we'll keep it closed for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, I add in some more salt. You can add salt as per your taste. And about half teaspoon of pepper. The entire water should be evaporated. And lastly, I add in about 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil. And there you have it. You can serve this with chapati or rice.